Welcome to this training session on heat transfer. Identify the methods of heat transfer in aircraft parts or systems. The three methods we will talk about today are conduction, convection, and radiation. Conduction requires physical contact between two items with different temperatures. Conduction happens here when heat from combustion in the cylinder is transferred to the crankcase. The easiest to think of convection is the heat coming off the top of a radiator and heating the air above it. You would be able to feel heat in the air above the engine as the cylinders heat the surrounding air, causing it to rise. Radiant energy is electromagnetic heat waves that travel in all directions from the source. Radiant heat can be felt standing off to the side of the exhaust of the engine. This concludes this training session. We hope you found it useful.